Welcome back to the Cobra Alley channel. Today I was going to open up my GIJoe classified series Alley Viper, and I thought I'd share it with you guys. What's cool about these guys is they were a Cobra's police SWAT team, an urban assault team. Alright, let's open this guy up. He was first released in 1989 by Hasbro. Look at that. I never had one as a kid. Wow, he's beautiful. If you watched the cartoon, you wouldn't have seen him there. He was never in the Sunbow cartoon. But you could see him in the second season, Operation Dragonfire, episode 2 or day 2. Before we look at the figure, I thought I'd show you the box art, because I kind of skipped over that. Okay, let's pull him out of here. Anybody else like that sound? Let's do it again. Oh, I love that. Once more. Just kidding. Look at that. Oh, get some detail. Wow, I like this guy. Wow. Okay, let's just take a quick look before we gear him all up. Got a holster on the side, some carabiners on the front. Looks like another knife holster on his, or sheath on his wrist. That won't focus. Come on. Look at that head sculpt. Look at that detail. I love the rubber vest over top of the plastic figure. Shin pads. Same pants we've seen on some of the other figures, but I don't recognize the knee pads. The weapons here that have removable clips, which it's the same clip for both guns. This gun has the clip in the back, same one that removes, interchanges with the main machine gun. Grappling gun, I guess, with the removable arrow. Both have hoops, so I don't know if you can tie a string to that to make that a complete grappling hook. Here's the backpack. Clear, and the crossbow looks like it fits right in there. Or the grappling hook gun, whatever that's called. Fits in there. Focus. There. Here's a close look at the shield. Pretty nice, and then it's got the strap on the inside that fits the whole arm. I believe to put it on you gotta pop his arm or his hand off. And then push it through. There, now you can put his hand back on. There we go. And I'm sure he can hold the gun too. So there it is with the gun and the shield. The shield still swivels. He's got full control of the gun. So there he is, all armored up. He can hold everything. The Alley Viper. Beautiful. 10 out of 10.
Hey, Scoop! Hey, I thought you were still in the Crimson Guard. Right after we captured the Tibetan Dragonfire base, I transferred. See, I'm an Alley Viper now, but I'm still your contact. Can you get the data to me on the ground? According to our research, the Stone Age hunters who lived here were sensitive. Cobra forces, deploy immediately! Alley Viper on the left.